Okay, this is a quick unboxing of the wonderful gift that hubby gave to me for my birthday on November 28th. This is the Cricut Explorer 2. So while I unbox, I will let you listen to a little bit of music. It's basically the machine along with a couple of tools and some of the supplies that you will need to get started on your first Cricut project. I will share my first project in the next video. Okay, it was a little challenging for me to open it up, but once I got my handy dandy scissors, it was a piece of cake. So basically the first thing that you're going to see come out of the box is the light grip mat. And this is a mat that you're going to need to use to hold everything steady as it goes through the machine and cuts. This is really helpful. It comes with this little Let's Get Started kit, and basically it takes you through 4 steps of how to start using your Cricut machine. Step 1 tells you how to plug in and power on your new Cricut machine. Step 2 tells you to go to Cricut.com to set up. They walk you through every step. Step 3, during setup, they'll help you practice a project with materials. It should be fun. And the final step is step 4. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Your guide comes with a welcome message. It tells you everything that's included in the box, goes over the basics, the design space, libraries, projects, tools, etc. It also comes with a warranty, a welcome message, and a few, I guess, little small pieces of vinyl for you to do some test projects. Now we're getting to the good stuff. This is the actual machine. It is not really heavy, but it's foreign to me, so I'm a little clumsy with it. It's packaged really nicely and secure. You can see that it's brand new and it hasn't been used or tampered with. That's important because sometimes people return things and you want to make sure that your machine is completely sealed and nothing has been open or torn, because that will make your manufacturer's warranty null and void. So when you purchase your machine, make sure that it hasn't been previously opened. The last few items in the box are the fine point pen, the power adapter, and the USB cable that you're going to need to attach to your machine and your PC or iPad, whatever you're using to create your projects. Okay, so now it's time to unwrap this baby. I'm going to also share with you some of the things that you will need for your projects, like these smart iron-on heat transfer vinyl. You can use the Cricut brand, or I was told you could also use other brands, so we're going to test that out. In addition to that, you're going to need a scraper to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And of course, we're going to use this a lot, the weeder. I have these safety gloves as well as this etching cream because I want to experiment with putting my logo on some wine glasses. And of course I'm going to need these paintbrushes to do that. Let's see what else I have. I think that's pretty much it for the tools. I think we went over just about everything. So now it's just a matter of me setting up my workspace in a way that's comfortable for me to work, and I have to figure out how to record as I do that. Okay, so I took off the protective wrapping. As you can see right now, I'm taking off this little sticker. This is the sticker that the sales rep at the Michaels told me I had to make sure that that hadn't been torn or removed, because that would affect my warranty. Okay, the rest of this video is just me connecting the machine itself to the plug or the outlet, and then me connecting the machine to my laptop. It's a little cumbersome trying to figure out how I'm going to set this all up, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it, and these videos will get more interesting as we delve into our projects. Okay, that's it for this video. I don't want it to be too long. I wanted to share the unboxing with you and the initial setup. I will share my first project with you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.